Mama wakwaba midi ede ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Ora akwesiche eka NPP communication team members a more Ashanti region no ho. Na ode ensem bi atodwa nesema okay na ne se enyo bi e no be ka kire NDC fo se omo pemu no bi omo ano kan kire Ghana nyina ewiase nyina say his excellency na Nana Akufo-Addo a good president. Na embre ne ba sa ensem na nkasa de ne ho beba yen hwe se enanu owura eye honorable Sam George ningo pram MP abegina ho se eye agenda 111 a his excellency na Nana Akufo-Addo ode abano and the chese regions district ni nyina ne ho de no na aka kra bi no mo awia and the chese ne dano owura Sam George ebo eye his excellency na Nana Akufo-Addo na ba so yie papa enya asem keto akra na no na owura akwasiche ekyerese ndc fomo story a musina na do ndc ka why say na mutu futu egu ben mo kwotena radio so na tv so a but uwo kroma wudi dancing so when say his excellency na Nana Akufo-Addo why say ndi ama abra ndc for was no sakin bia na do fomen ka senche ne nti nsema owura akwasiche ede etodwa o kyerese nyobi no beka say ndc for na endi his excellency na Nana Akufo-Addo no ho adanse pa
shede eni se bibia so betutu ye mreni dra ina beba be ka ho na eja ya kugya no ama no ayefe na onim se oyini bade bia me ba ha me kase adanse die no edru ho na ati aso de ma no bi na fro se bidi adanse o wakasa na be sorry no wakati sofo se me wadanse die bi ka ene be bia wo be fe bia adanse die no na ekoso be se e be dru tama ye to aba no yan kasa bi o fese wiki ye mu you say Sam George ono so kasa agenda 111 no ne de baby adru no obia ni Ghana ha ne de adru sa ne de no kona nimpa enche be yi ape dama frase wan da verse damapo
da fiamapo
na se damapo da damapo ono so say o se aduma akoso wan ho no ebi si Ghana ha da as it's never happened o hwe na kwan of your agenda 111 onukwa de worker say okoho last week okodru ho na say traces no e de atoso a wo be bosso amai but ade ba ko wan say wo mu kofo ya na ti wo say agenda 111 enkoso enso so mo ka credentials a mo say ne ye de no ayeye e de na be no be ka no credit acha manfo na be na ba ko yi o ka say wo say Sam George was ono na ko pay contractor no entron kwa.
But under NDC 2014-2015 claim they were sharing fertilizers, still cocoa trees were dying. You can go and check. Don't come and sit here and be mangling your mouth and be talking something you don't know. We just don't come sit here to open our mouth. We read, we research, we ask questions. We seek for information. We just don't put camera on our face to come and talk. We speak facts, data. What does the stats say? And yeah, we don't call it a be lolly fair after no I'm like ni be me why one catch us and yam why mama or nanya memre some phone crown and more can they be ana me bisa say at a mills no price are near to even though na NDC for government no mahama buy say docuno price and cost so those type of things we shouldn't use that. You see, you look at who is building institutions that helps to make everybody win. That is what you were a graduate. You couldn't get a job. Somebody finds a way to create job for you so that the skills you have learned at school wouldn't be to waste. Not only that, the man made sure so Wamao experience said the bear and there say apply for another job besides how many years of experience do you have in this field that at least to make us from 2019 to 2020 you have done this type of job over 3 years experience. Yeah. And you sit there, allow a party that could not give you a job because according to them you were not experienced. Isn't it sad? Ghana for Napco for na many omokasan. And that is why I saw said they were very ungrateful. Nana Sebe Etremukrana may not have me. To be honest with you, because Napco 4 people they really let me down. The NAPCO people really let me down. Matnefie since 2013. Some of you since 2013. Munye jumanye. Obia ba befawa ma NAPCO. Charles Kweku say he's intelligent but not wicked. I said wicked in a sarcastic way. Say Kufuor, you wicked in a sarcastic way. Because Charles, Osha dia papa ne now. Obeso gu NDC. Obeso gu NDC party totally and san we free so. Look at what is happening in the north. North when you can hands down NDC winning. Look at what Bawumia and them did in the north there. Look at what now Oti chiefs are saying now. Say, for 7 times they have seeked several governments, say, Mumma ye region, but they never gave them. 7 times. 7 times they have seeked, say, Omu here regional capital, Omu here say Beyomo region. It never happened. But Kufuor listened and did it for them. Unless the Omuye Buniaye for Nombeto about Edietia MPP are buying the next time around. And I'm glad the man actually confessed, said they are sorry. Say he created the region and they voted against him. But they promised him, say, come 2024, him and his people would actually vote for the MPP. Look at what Peter Mewu is doing in Hohoe. Look at how gradually Nanado is winning Hohoe, winning voter region bit by bit. All tells you, say, this man is a unique man. Now, enunti ena me saw camera no. Eja, me din kai ama background kakre. Memfa enombra in the next 20 minutes. Na men sorry so. Mami chere ma DB. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is the only president that has 16 regions. Utie. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Ononkwane president ya webedi Ghana swa okuta 16 regions. Guess what that comes with? Extra responsibility. Extra responsibility. Adi intia. Because first, no, now your regions say 10. Okay, now with the same resources, we have created 6 extra regions. Now, what makes Akufo-Addo scary for these people who hate the truth in NSA? And God is my witness, not good. Every part of Ghana has received at least a bit of the national cake. In all sector. That is the craziness of it. In all sector. In all sector. Nana Akufo-Addo is the only person that has been able to manage 16 regions. Okay? Constructed roads in all 16 regions. Yes. Provide